Presenting a pre-owned 1990 Nissan 300ZX. This two-door hatchback has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Nissan has less than 129,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, and automatic climate control.